In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find unread emails in Gmail using search filters. If your inbox feels overwhelming, these simple search phrases will help you quickly surface exactly what you haven't read yet. We'll keep it straightforward and clear so you can follow along as you watch or listen. First, open Gmail and look to the very top of the page for the search bar. This is where all the magic happens. In that search bar, type is unread, that's the word is, then a colon, then unread, and press enter. This command tells Gmail to show you every email that's currently unread, no matter which tab or label it's sitting in. It's not case sensitive, but make sure you include the colon and no extra spaces around it. If nothing appears, that simply means you've already read everything that's in your inbox right now. Sometimes you only want unread messages from your main inbox view, not from other tabs. If you use Gmail's default tabs like Primary, Social, and Promotions, you can narrow it down. In the search bar, type category. Primary is unread. Think of it like giving Gmail two filters. First filter by the primary category, then show only the ones that are unread. This keeps your results focused on the messages that are most likely personal or important, such as receipts, updates you've opted into, or direct messages. You can do the same thing for other tabs if you want to review them one by one. For promotions and offers, type category. Promotions is unread. This pulls up unread emails that Gmail has sorted into the Promotions tab, which often includes newsletters, sales, and marketing messages. For social updates, type category. Social is unread to see unread notifications from social networks or community platforms. Using these category filters helps you triage strategically. Check what matters most first, then sweep through the rest when you have time. A few quick notes to keep everything smooth. These category searches work best if you're using Gmail's tabbed inbox. If you don't use those tabs, the category filters may return fewer results or none at all, and that's expected. The search operators themselves are the same on desktop and in the Gmail mobile app, so you can use them anywhere you sign in. And if you manage more than one Gmail account, make sure you're in the right account before you search. That's it. Uses unread to catch everything, or category. Primary is unread, category promotions is unread, and category social is unread to focus on specific tabs. With these quick searches, staying on top of new messages becomes fast and stress-free.